Hello, welcome to another video provided by AlphaGenesis6436. In today's video, we'll be CADing a simple train using 3dc.io. Please refer to our previous 3dc.io video linked in the description below if you want to learn the basics of navigating the app. To start off, you should see a screen like this, with a cube at the center. We'll be using the scale tool to change the size of the cube. By pulling the arrows, we can create the shape that we want. You can also use the measurement on the top of your screen as reference when modeling your object. We are going to begin on the body of our train. Now we'll be adding another cube onto our workspace. We'll use the scale tool to change the size and shape of our cube so that it looks like a rectangle. Once you finish modeling the shape, we will use it to subtract the portion out of the rectangle we previously created. Now we'll be adding a cylinder. We will use the scale tool and model the front portion of our train. Your model should look like this. After you're done with that, we can begin adding the wheels. I recommend that you watch my steps first, then try it for yourself. Once you are done with the wheels, we will be moving on to the smokestack. I'll insert a cone and a cylinder. Then, using the scale tool, I can change these shapes to the correct size and place it on the train. Now at this point, you can add any other additional features to your train. Once you are done with that, your train is complete. Thank you so much for watching and see you next time.